Tired of that buzzy annoyance interrupting your real-world adventures? You're just a few taps away from silencing your Poke Copyright Mon Go Plus. Let's dive into the Poke Copyright Mon Go app to turn off that vibration first. Open up your Poke Copyright Mon Go app. Once the app is loaded, look for the Pokeball icon at the bottom center of your screen. Tap on that Pokeball. Now, in the top right corner of this menu, you'll see a gear icon that's your settings. Tap on it. Scroll down the settings list until you find the section related to your connected devices. You should see Poke Copyright Mon Go Plus listed there. Tap on Poke Copyright Mon Go Plus to open its specific settings here. You'll find various options for your device. Look for the vibration option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap this toggle to switch it to the off position. It will likely turn gray or show a different color to indicate it's now disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the vibration for your Poke Copyright Mon Go Plus. This small change can really help conserve battery on your device and ensure you're only alerted when you truly want to be. Enjoy a more peaceful Poke Copyright Mon Go experience without those unwanted buzzes. Happy catching!